What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have an exciting video today because we're going to be out with my old wheels and in with some new ones. I ordered them from none other than DNA Hyperformance, and you can kind of see them right here. Here's a little sneak peek of the rears, but stay tuned for the final reveal. So these are actually the wheels that came on the car when I bought it. I've been wanting new wheels for a while. I've had the car for about 3 years, but I've had a lot of interest in them. While I've had them on the car, I will throw up all of my wheel specs and the tire size up on the screen so you can screenshot it, save it, and I'll also put it in the description as well. But enough of me talking. Let's get the new wheels. Let's get the new wheels on. Y'all, I am obsessed with these wheels. Insane. I mean, the night and day. The night and day. These wheels are sick. So my new wheels are from 3030 Autosport. They are from their Drag Op series. They are the Mach 10 wheels, and I'll put all of my wheel and tire specs up on the screen. I've actually got some Sportsman fronts from Thompson and some ET streets on the rear, but I am obsessed. I actually ordered these wheels from DNA Hyperformance. Shout out to Alan if you need any wheels or performance parts. Make sure you hit him up and tell him that I sent you, of course. And yeah, I am just obsessed. I mean, night and day difference compared to the other wheels that I had. Way more aggressive looking, such an aggressive stance. I'm speechless. I love these wheels. This is a beautiful wheel, and yeah, so I'm excited to hit the track this week as well. And if you see me at Norwalk, make sure you say hey, come check out the wheels as well. And yeah, so stay tuned for future videos with the car on the track now that I'm track ready. And as always, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.